Right, so just a brief, quick summary who we are. We have a company that's been in the air moving industry for about 11 years now, and we specialized in retrofitting HVAC refrigeration applications in the market. And we've worked on a lot of air handlers and rooftop units, and as we install these packages, we also gained a lot of knowledge about air movement within buildings. Obviously, when the pandemic hit, we had a tremendous amount of knowledge around how that's moving through the system in the buildings, and we sought opportunity to actually treat that air. So IAQuality spun off of FridgeWise, and we've been implementing product into the market now for almost 2.5 years, treating air. And what we do here is we are air treatment specialists. We provide innovative technologies to create cleaner, safer air for people that are indoors to breathe. And the cutting edge technologies allow us to deliver a balanced, safe, affordable solution to provide cleaner air. The problem we saw with COVID and identified in the market was that HVAC systems were not created to filter air. They're created to heat and cool air. So when everything hit, people were standing up on the news saying, increase the MERV ratings on your filters, take out your old ones, put in new filters. And of course, we knew at that point that that was actually compounding the problem, because what that does is just slows the amount of turns of air in the building. So you've actually got pockets of viruses, pathogens, other stuff hanging around a lot longer. 6 to 8 turns of air an hour through specialized filters needed to treat air. And the treatments that we saw that were being used in the industry were chemically based, not that effective in continuing to clean surfaces for extended periods of times. And they added other pollutants into there, including volatile organic compounds. So we made a portable unit, and since then, this is not a concept. We've sold several thousand into the market, into schools, call centers, businesses, restaurants, banks, government buildings, and more, and we implement these on a nationwide scale. The solution we came up with is a range of portable air purifiers and scrubbers. This machine has the ability to turn air in a 4,000 square foot room up to 6 to 8 times an hour through specialized filters, while introducing scrubbers in the form of ions into the air. Third-party demonstrations, which you can get into a lot of white papers around, show that ions inactivate pathogens, bacteria, molds, and viruses. And specialized filters that we put into these machines allow for those smaller particles to be caught while not impeding the air circulation. So the combination of the two delivers a fresh, clean, and safer environment indoors. By implementing ions and scrubbers, you're actually fogging 24/7 with those safely, and then you're also pulling the content of everything through filters. And ions also create agglomeration, which creates bigger particles, which get caught in lower MERV rated filters. In essence, this pushes out ions, 4 million ions a second out the top. We have 648 total square inches of filter intake on both sides. We can put HEPA filters, we can put pre-filters, carbon activated filters to catch all the nasties in the air while we scrub the air in addition to filtering it. Again, what it does, it scrubs air, it reduces the particles in the air by agglomeration, it controls odors, it is ozone friendly, it does not produce ozone, and we produce ions via plasma field. And push those out into the system. So a very easy application for any kind of a commercial building, school. It's a plug and play. You simply plug it into the wall. It is fully variable, has 100 speeds, and you can literally set it and forget it. We have sensors that tie into these units that show you what's in the air, and also ebb and flow with what they react to. So if you see the VOC content increasing in the air, the sensor will communicate with this unit and tell the motor to ramp up, so you're circulating the air more through the system. So it's a very easy, again, mobile placement supplemental system for the existing air handling units to actually turn air 6 to 8 times an hour through filters. What we'd love from the KC community is to spread the word about this product. It's extremely effective. It attacks the problem from 2 sides, filtration and scrubbing. So we're getting a double attack mode there. Educate your friends and family and colleagues about the dangers of indoor air quality that we're seeing. We're seeing a lot of data on that right now, and it's more than just COVID. And do a little every day to reduce the amount of indoor pollutants that you emit in your lives. What's coming? Early 2022, we have a full home unit coming. So it attaches to your furnace, 3 filters, ionization, UVC, fully variable, and provides clean air for your homes with apps and dashboards, etc. It's a very quick 5-minute description of what we have, and we've implemented these right around the country and currently continue to do that.
No, great presentation, Ryan. Thank you. And obviously, COVID has made us all much more aware of the air that we breathe, and just the importance of it. Are there any questions for Ryan? And hopefully, I'm not opening a can of worms again. Last time I asked that, I got some questions.
That was not my accent you heard back then. So that's a good thing.
And Jill, I'm not for sure why you seem to be the target of being picked on too. So
it is for commercial use, and we're when I say commercial, we have seen people put them in their homes. It's fully adjustable to from 10 square feet up to 4,000 square feet. We have multiple sizes as well, and they are we are creating the home unit right now that will launch early 2022 that will be applied to homes. But right now it is fully commercial use.
Great. Well, Ryan, thank you.
I have no question, but a comment. It's like I think that's fairly impressive that you're able to do that without creating any ozone.
Yep. So those are the plasma fields. We have 2 different ion units. They're both rated UL 2998, which is non-ozone production. The one unit has fail-safes that absolutely produces no ozone. The other unit is rated, the only way it can produce ozone is if it actually arcs, which we haven't seen it do at all. So we have the certificates to back that with these units.
And Brian, there was a question about noise, the decibel range of it.
So the noise, the decibels are no louder than a home vent that you hear in your forced air system at home. So very low decibels, right in the mid-50s.
And am I correct? Are you manufacturing those in Kansas City?
Yes, we're manufacturing them in Kansas City, and we've implemented them on a nationwide scale. Yep, we ship out of. We have a manufacturing facility in Pleasant Hill, and we do some pre-assembly here in the Waldo area.
Great. Thank you very much.